Hi, I'm Melissa with iM3, and today we're going to be showing you how to put together your new iM3 dental cart. Your new dental unit came and it should look just like this. So we're going to unpack it, but the most important thing here is that you go grab a buddy because it's really heavy and we don't want you to hurt yourself. So go ahead and go find a friend. You are going to find a packet that has your manual for your cart. It is a DVD that you'll just pop into your computer. You also have some other iM3 information in this packet. You also have with your unit your tray. I'll show you in a little bit here how we're going to attach this to your unit. Then we have our bottles. So we've got the clear water bottle. You will always put distilled water in this. And then you have the amber colored bottle for CLS solution. It's very important that you only ever put your CLS into the amber bottle. The amber color does protect against UV damage to the solution in your bottle. Okay, so now we're gonna raise the dental top. Hold on to the top of the unit and then unscrew this just a little to loosen and lift the top of your unit up. You're gonna want enough space here to give your 2-liter water bottle space to hang out. And then once you've gotten the height you like, go ahead and tighten this knob down. Now that we've gotten our dental top to where we want it, we can go ahead and open these cables on the front. So here we have our high water. Go ahead and open up our hand pieces and get them connected to our unit. They come in these boxes. We're gonna start with our high-speed handpiece. That is the L7400 and the L7200. And now we'll go ahead and open the L6250 and the L6200 for our low-speed handpiece.
Yep.
All right, so your hand pieces came with the iM3 MD30 handpiece oil. It is important to understand how to use this, so please visit our website or our YouTube page to see our maintenance for hand pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and get our water bottles filled up. With our clear bottle, again, you're gonna use the distilled water only. It's very important that you only use distilled water on your unit. And then in our amber bottle, we are gonna use the full bottle of CLS that came with your unit. You're gonna put it into the amber bottle, and then again with distilled water, you're gonna top off to the white line. So I've got my distilled water in my clear water bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and put the blue line into the clear bottle and then twist the bottle onto the unit. You do need to get it fairly snug. There we go. And then the same with our CLS solution. The CLS bottle always goes on the green side. Put that on there. And again, get that nice and snug. There we go. Between your compressor and your compressor motor, you'll find this tag that says, "Please pull me." Attached to it is a foam block. It is wedged to keep the motor from tipping during shipping. So please pull that out. And make sure you hang on to this, because if you ever need to move your unit, if you're gonna put it in a car, take it to a different office, you wanna put this back between the motor and the post. So now we're gonna go ahead and attach our tray. So first you'll take the post and you'll screw it into the bottom side of your tray, just like this. Loosen this on your cart, slide the rod down and tighten to your desired height. Before powering your cart on, you do want to make sure that your air supply from your tank is truly connected. There. Okay, so next we're going to plug in our compressor. You will have a hospital grade power cord. Go ahead and get that out. Unit. You will find the plug-in for the compressor. So I'll just go ahead and put this in here and then attach to the wall for power. So now that we've gotten our unit plugged in, we want to check a few things before we power it up. First, you want to make sure that your drain valve is closed snug. And then we want to make sure that our compressor motor is turned to on appropriately. So you'll make sure that the switch is pointing to the straight line. Once you've guaranteed that those are both in the right position, you'll come back and power your unit on. When you turn your unit on, your bottles will pressurize. If they don't pressurize, you'll want to check the switch on the front of your unit and make sure that your coolant is switched to on. This will pressurize your bottles. We're gonna go ahead and test our high-speed handpiece. So first I'm gonna put in a burr. I'm gonna use our iPush tool. I'm gonna slide the burr into the head, and then I'm going to gently depress about halfway, and my burr will slide right in. Again, a partial press allows the burr to come in and out more easily. Once it's in, you can take off the iPush tool. Now, I am going to make sure that I am switched to the high-speed handpiece. And then I'm going to depress my pedal, always pushing fully on the pedal, never press part way. So I'm going to test the handpiece. First, I will depress the pedal all the way to the ground. And then I would look here to make sure that my pressure is just around 40. If you need to adjust this, you will find the adjustment is just here. You simply make a small turn as you're pressing your foot pedal to adjust your pressure. First, you'll switch the switch over to low speed. Okay. Next, we have our air water syringe. When you depress the button on this side, it squirts water.
Yeah.
When you squirt this button, it shoots air. And if you shoot both together, you get a mist. Next, we have the iM3 oscillating prophy head. I'd like to show you how you attach this. They are individual use, disposable prophy heads. The shank goes into the handpiece, and you push down firmly until it's all the way at the base. This is the switch that you will use to control how much water or CLS solution comes through the high-speed handpiece. Turning counterclockwise will increase the amount of fluid. Turning clockwise will decrease the amount of fluid. This switch is for our coolant on and off. This is where we pressurize our water bottles. Before you remove your water bottle, go ahead and switch this to off. You'll hear it depressurize. Of course, we have our gauge. This shows our pressure in both our high-speed and low-speed handpieces, and again, can be adjusted with the knob underneath the unit. And then we have our switch that tells the unit if we're using our low-speed handpiece or our high-speed handpiece. To the left is low speed, to the right is high speed. The last switch is for water and CLS. When this switches to water, it will only be pulling from your clear bottle. When this is switched to CLS, it will only pull from your amber bottle. If you have a scaler, you can easily get that plugged into your unit. First, you'll start with plugging power in. So power to the back of your scaler, and then you can plug your scaler directly into your dental unit. Once you've connected your power, scalers all have the standard water line with a quick disconnect. You'll take the quick disconnect into the back of the dental unit and connect where you see ultrasonic scaler coolant outlet. Now that is connected.